You are the man ghostwriter, my general. But that big man, you is the dog ghostwriter. You see me, I say? That means you are ghost. Nobody nothing know about you for real, my general. You see me, I say? So why you drop a song for the man?
Reaction.
People, pitney. Khapital. With like H. People, the song called Ghostwriter. Shane O and Kyodi this. You see me, I say, people? You don't know what go on. You know, so the marker was about man post it on him page. I say, yo, where do I say that? Because I think them try to say, this is Kyodi Ghostwriter. Remember, so Kyodi just post a picture of him and Shane and say, yo, man, I write the song for him and Shane in the comments and say, yo, man, I write the song for the dog. You hear me? I say, and now this is a song I go for the two of them. So maybe Khapital could actually be Kyodi and Shane Ghostwriter. The two of them ghostwriter. Because we think that Shane writing was on them. Right? Probably Khapital want to write song them too. We don't know. But create the marker said though, Batty boy Kyodi will find a ghostwriter at one Khapital people. Listen to the song. We have the voice notes them also. Go check out Khapital One music right now. But people know what I'm on. Go find Khapital One page with them. So I post. You see what I post on the page, man. Alright then. Everything is just repost from the video I just dropped, isn't it? Alright then. Cool. So the voice notes them are going in that song here, or them are going in the next song. Because so I go and listen to the song people. The song dropped yesterday. I not like it. It never recommended it on YouTube, but I don't know why I like some song when the man is running on the war or go on already. But because the man can go so and push what the song to face, I see, I'm going to give some attention now. But I not like listen to the song them like how Kyodi jump in and Byron and TJ war. I never like that. You hear me? I say, I'm going to see what I go on still. Khapital. Ghostwriter. Run it!
Yo, kids. We just get this over with. Nah, them boy take up too much of the time, you see me? Dog, even though me never ask, I did I wonder how much envy that you got in the yard, so me go take too long for cut you off, so now you block me, cause me nah give you no song for this demarco. I don't pity them, but I know heaven this. Heaven never see nothing so devilish. Run up on them corner, then me level it. Key set up all of them.
Black, I'm steady on the beat. But hold on there. So hold on there. You are the man ghostwriter, my general. But that big man, you is the dog ghostwriter. You see me, I say? That means you are ghost. Nobody nothing know about you for real, my general. You see me, I say? So why you drop a song for the man? Why you not give that song for this demarco? Why you not do it? You supposed to be that ghostwriter, no? That's your job. That's my opinion, though, no? But the song bad, we could go on some more. Run through.
I don't pity them, but I know heaven this.
Yeah.
Heaven never see nothing so devilish.
Never.
Run up on them corner, then me level it. Key set up, be all of them. Be all of them now. So lift it up and plant it on them. Take them title from them. All I see them pose up like a dan them. I get full up like when I'm been up them fans them. If you go know this like the man them, make me show the road who did the writer song them. Pussy think I know.
So guess what? Your father figure know who write the song them. And guess what I go on? I don't talk about all the part there. The song will some more. The song go on.
You know you're fake. Just find your yard and mind your last card. You don't know your place.
Yeah.
I know the lay with the counteraction. Action don't be late.
Yeah.
Strike off with them, rise off of the bench. Them never know the play. Anyway, no feel so pussy mouth. Kyodi safe. Him a get in jelly fly out the place. Then me buy out the case. Ball of fire in the sky. I'll gonna
kill him. I got caught. I must buy out the case. Class.
The safe, him a get in jelly fly out the place, then me buy out the case. Ball of fire in the sky, up on a cloudy day. You copy the style, you know me great, and that is no debate. Wait, first the matches I tell me loud debate. But me say now the crowd a wait, and I right now the dates. Without the cage, so butterfly from me run out the cage. Just for the amount of day, them and they work for them without the pay. See how you stay, you the pussy to know.
Yo, see Kyodi, my boy, my forward up there, my circle, Kyodi foot. Kyodi foot, I go, no man link for the no song. Kyodi.
Yo, that's not real.
Who that? I Marcus that? Who that? Eh? So Kyodi worried the market when for that Kyodi foot can write some song for him. But today I got say, you know. You see me, I say, a device what they say, what the Marcus said them have, a device like this, hold on there.
Yo, see Kyodi, my boy, my forward up there, my circle, Kyodi foot.
Yeah.
Kyodi foot, I go, no man link for the no song. Kyodi.
Yo, that's not real. I'm from them.
Well, they got kind of sound I said them are calling you for the song too, no? Voila!
Them take the title from them. All I see them pose up like a dan them. I get full up like when I'm been up them fans them. I forgot know this like them and them. Bet me sure the road who did the right.
I get full like when I'm around.
Song them bet them never bright up again.
Hey.
Dark room, go for the night vision them. Full of jumbo but some different type of pan them. Get me mad, but swear to God them want for draw me down in a barrel like a crab them. You should have put some respect on my name. My lyrics are take go trample gauge when you dip on the lane. I want me right and give up on the
that I go on, pan what I go on. So what you really want, dog? Why you come up with this track? Me want to know what you want, Mr. Khapital. Why you come up with this track? Why? Me want to know.
Page I take up on the stage, I last up on the space, I beat the drum, them think a bands will play. No, it's a trigger finger dip on the slave. I'm no go on the trade, no one for afraid of rocket and grenade. For days, from 80 plenty more dip on the way, so she ever plan the raid. I'm no go tear down with them a congregate. Be brave, they know fit test the thing them up. Bumbo clout, mount of them what test and none no pass. No, can't fist me down, me lift me gun, you coulda did run so fast. Them chopper ya nah ring no phone, them no cut down no grass. So same gun but him.
Go back, what is it?
They know fit test the thing them up. Bumbo clout, mount of them what test and none no pass. Can't fist me down, me lift my gun, you coulda did run so fast.
Yeah.
Them chopper ya nah ring no phone, them no cut down no grass. So same gun but him rock him nose and make it don't go grass. Can't wait.
Sing but him make it my blood clap. Man, not like song bad. Song bad. But I still don't know why you drop the song, my general. Why you do it?
So till them answer back, I'll know the fun no start. Come to class, get some enlightenment to them so dark. To run in go park on every corner, just no run none off. Me know about.
Yeah, dog, so you know don't tell them answer back. I'm not gonna lie to no people. You see me, I say right now. Me know, listen, me I don't answer that song right now. Bad, in bad, no. I think them can kill Kyodi, no. I try to show on the dog. And guess what, the fans them are gonna put a theme side again too. Hey, why? Hey, suppose them, the dangerous, the dog watch for them on the dangerous blood clot.
On up squad, me know the go all of them and none no laugh. Yeah man, see from them, take the title from them. All I see them pose up like a dan them. I get full up like when I'm been up them fans them. I forgot know this like them and them. Bet me show the road who did the right song them. Bet them never bright up again. Dark room, go for the night vision them full of jumbo but some different type. I never rate the thing them just be want a ghostwriter. Realize I'm me talent, me get the most fight for. The longest while man I relax and I said won't fight back. But a full time I make some fool know me no joke like that. No.
Look how much money in the music industry have a ghostwriter. So I can't get over it, people. Why him drop this song? What if the dog want a ghostwriter, people? You know how much artists have ghostwriter? Much bigger artists have ghostwriter. That's someone know why. Why? No, yeah, ghostwriter dog. Obviously I pay for the song, for the lyrics, no. So why you drop the song? You never get enough money or something, G. How I go on, know what go on. Why you drop the song? Let me know down in the comment section. You see me and say, that me want to know right now. Dog say that brother and say, yo, Kyodi I crash the marker. Come on, dog foot. You see me and say, come get dog 2 lyrics. Me no hear the voice as the man them a fight, yo. You say you're trying to get the most fighter. Me no see that as the man them a fight, in general. Honestly, me no see it as that them a fight, but me could know more, no man. I want to know more. Why you do it? But we love the war. You see me and say, so Kyodi, you have to respond to the ghostwriter. You see me and say, we couldn't have a true or a lie. You see me and say, people, who said the voice with them, want to know who that. You see me and say, who said the voice with the two? Khapital for come and Kyodi foot because of my war. Them man go. You see me and say, well, I don't talk on the song. Song you bad, I not lie. You see me and say, lyrics chap, I like it. You see me and say, I would never react to it unless the man could post by himself. Because I like when the war go and be a man start running, dog. You see me and say, me talk about it already and I started the video still. So, soon on next video, you see me and say, peace. Big up on yourself as usual, man. God.